I have this triangle. I'm going to draw it again because that's kind of a mess up there. This is 10 inches. I know this is 30 degrees. And I want to know this one, and I want to know this one, which is A, B, and B, C. Okay. So in the last video, the explanation, we know that there is this triangle that exists where if this is 30 degrees, this is 90, then opposite of 30 degrees is 1. Adjacent to 30 degrees is 2, so that this divided by this is 1/2. And then this side, using Pythagorean theorem, is square root of 3. Okay? And we're not even going to use sine, cosine, and tangent. We're just going to use this. This is opposite. This is adjacent. And this is the hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is adjacent. And this is the hypotenuse. So, to figure out this one, you could just look at this and say, well, this divided by this is 1/2. So how do I make this 1/2? You could. But I'm just going to say, we're going to use opposite divided by hypotenuse. Has to be the same on both, because this is 30, 60, 90. This is 30, 60, 90. So according to this is opposite over hypotenuse. That has to be the same as this one over here, the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay? And we just solve for x. So multiply by 10 here, multiply by 10 here, and I get x here, and 2 goes into 10 5 times, so this is 5. So there's that one. So BC equals 5. Right there, which we kind of did the long way earlier. Okay, now let's find y. So y is adjacent. And you can use either one, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use adjacent and hypotenuse. And adjacent is y. And I use this one because I wanted to have the y up here. The hypotenuse is 10. It just makes it a shorter. If your unknown is in the numerator, it makes it shorter. And then on this triangle, adjacent is square root of 3. Hypotenuse is 2. They have to be equal. If you look, this is actually the cosine, but doesn't really matter. You could have put any one of these, divided any one of these, and they have to be equal. Okay, so now I just solve for that. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Then y equals, because dividing by 10, multiplying by 10, you get 1. 2 goes into 10 5 times. You have 5 times square root of 3. So AB is equal to 5, square root of 3. And that's it. You're done.